Today we'll talk about how can you add your changer on your Champions League app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on account settings, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you keep going down, come here to changer options here, optional. So if you want to add it or not, here can you select it. So I'm going to add here mal, then you click on save, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you are great. To just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.